Hey, in Santa Monica here. I am here for the first time and also order a combo. So just want to share with you how it look and how it tastes. So this is the combo and I got soup of the day and also half a sandwich and a salad. So I think it was less than $20 here, and also they're really spacious in and outside outdoor sittings, and also there's a small corner area that you can study or work. So this way is kind of interesting. So they have meter parking and also street parking if you can find it in the busy area here. Cafe K in Santa Monica is a cozy spot known for its relaxed ambiance and delicious coffee. Patrons often praise its friendly staff and assortment of pastries. With ample seatings and free Wi-Fi, is a popular spot for remote work or catching up with friends. Overall, it's a gem in Santa Monica coffee screen, perfect for laid-back morning and afternoon. I was here and I saw a lot of old people here. What I say, when you see old people at elderly at any restaurants would mean they are good. So I think I make the decisions to come here was perfect. Also, I really like their sweet potato soup, and also their sandwich. Not a fan of the salad, but it wasn't that bad because I'm in general not a salad person. Everything was decent, and also the staff was really friendly, definitely really caring, and even though it's small and tiny, but definitely a lot of spaces here.
No capers and kale. No kale and arugula. Extra pinolas. Ahí
Too low for the subway. Look at
I need to sit down for a second. No, take a nap. I don't feel well. Take a nap. I feel that I need to sleep. Come on.
It'll be a lot of space for you.
Hey, could you guys store this in the microwave for